Hello, you lovely lot, and welcome! I'm so glad you're here, taking a moment out of your busy day to join me. Whether you're watching this with a cup of tea in hand or just taking a quick break, I want you to know you're in the right place. Today, let's talk about something truly powerful, the most important conversation you'll ever have. No, it's not with your boss, your partner, or even your best friend. It's the ongoing, quiet conversation you have with yourself every single day. That little voice in your head. It's always there, whispering thoughts, shaping your whole day, your mood, and your confidence. Sometimes it lifts you up, but other times it can be your harshest critic, making you doubt yourself or second-guess your choices. Think about it. If a friend spoke to you the way your inner critic does, you'd never stand for it. You'd probably call them out, or maybe even distance yourself. So why do we accept that kind of negativity from ourselves day in and day out? The good news is, you don't have to keep listening to that old, unhelpful script. You can change that habit, and it starts with a single, gentle step, noticing how you talk to yourself and choosing kinder words. Imagine what would happen if you became your own biggest supporter. What if, instead of tearing yourself down, you started cheering yourself on? You'd be amazed at how much lighter, happier, and more confident you'd feel. So, are you ready to make your inner world a kinder, more encouraging place? Let's take this journey together and start treating ourselves with the same compassion we offer to others. You deserve it. Let's get real about negative self-talk. We all have that inner voice, the one that seems to pop up at the worst possible moments. It's the voice that whispers doubts, criticizes our every move, and makes us question our abilities. Sometimes it's so subtle we barely notice it, but other times it's loud and impossible to ignore. This voice can shape the way we see ourselves and the world around us, often in ways that hold us back. It's that voice that calls you clumsy for spilling coffee, turning a simple mistake into a reason to feel embarrassed or ashamed. Instead of brushing it off, you might find yourself replaying the moment, feeling worse each time. Or maybe it's the voice that tells you you're not good enough before a big meeting, making you second-guess your preparation and skills. It can make you feel like an imposter, even when you've worked hard to get where you are. This inner critic loves to compare you to others, pointing out what you lack instead of what you have. It chips away at your confidence, making even small setbacks feel like huge failures. You might find yourself thinking everyone else has it together, while you're just barely keeping up. This constant criticism doesn't just stay at work or in social situations. It follows you home. It keeps you up at night, replaying awkward moments, doubting your worth, and making you anxious about things that haven't even happened yet. It drains your energy, leaving you feeling worn out before the day even begins. Imagine preparing for a presentation. Your inner critic predicts failure before you even start. It tells you you'll forget your words, stumble over your slides, or embarrass yourself in front of everyone. This anxiety makes it even harder to perform, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's a vicious cycle, affecting both big and small moments. From major life events to everyday tasks, that nasty little voice can make everything feel more difficult than it really is. Living with this relentless critic is exhausting. It wears you down, making it hard to find motivation or joy in the things you do. Over time, it can even impact your mental and physical health. But here's the truth. You deserve better than a bully in your own mind. You deserve kindness, encouragement, and the chance to see yourself for who you really are, not just the flaws your inner critic points out. So how do we fight back against the constant stream of self-criticism and negativity that can creep into our minds? The answer is simpler than you might think, by flipping the script and choosing to speak to ourselves with the same warmth and encouragement we'd offer a loved one. It's about making a conscious decision to change the way we talk to ourselves, especially in those small everyday moments that can shape our mood and self-esteem. Imagine if you treated yourself with the same patience and understanding you show to your closest friends. When you look in the mirror, try offering a gentle smile or a few kind words, just as you would to someone you care about. This simple act can set the tone for your entire day, reminding you that you deserve compassion too. Let's say you spill your coffee first thing in the morning. Instead of letting frustration take over, pause and tell yourself, "Oops, accidents happen." Laugh it off and remember that everyone makes mistakes. This small shift in perspective can help you move forward with a lighter heart rather than carrying unnecessary guilt or embarrassment. Or maybe you're feeling nervous before a big presentation or an important meeting. Take a deep breath and remind yourself, I've prepared for this and I am capable. I can do this. Giving yourself a pep talk isn't just for athletes or performers. It's a powerful tool anyone can use to boost confidence and calm nerves. Over time, this shift in self-talk transforms stress into self-support. You'll find yourself building real confidence and resilience, celebrating your progress and learning from setbacks instead of dwelling on them. Each kind word you offer yourself is a step toward a stronger, more positive mindset. Remember, being kind to yourself doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending everything's perfect. It's about facing reality with compassion and honesty, acknowledging your feelings, and giving yourself the grace to grow and improve. The more you practice this gentle approach, the more your inner world becomes a place of encouragement and hope. Over time, these positive messages can become your default, helping you navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease. So be your own best ally, especially when life gets bumpy. Remember that a kind word spoken to yourself can make all the difference. How do you start? First, notice your inner voice. Just observe, no judgment. Ask, would I say this to my best friend? If not, it's time to reframe. Create simple affirmations like, I'm doing my best, and place them where you'll see them. When negativity creeps in, swap it for a kind phrase. Celebrate small wins, getting out of bed, finishing a tough task. Acknowledge your effort. Over time, these small changes retrain your brain to focus on the good. It's about learning the language of self-compassion. This journey is about being your own best friend. A good friend listens, encourages, and forgives mistakes. So should you. Life isn't about perfection, it's about progress and compassion. On tough days, offer yourself kindness, not criticism. You won't master positive self-talk overnight, and that's okay. Every kind thought counts. Remember, everyone struggles with their inner critic. You're not alone. We're all learning to treat ourselves with more grace and love. You are worthy of kindness, especially from yourself. So that's our chat for today. The way you speak to yourself shapes your life. Choose kindness. Every gentle thought is a step toward a happier you. You have the power to change your inner dialogue, one word at a time. I believe in you. Believe in yourself too. If this resonated, like and subscribe to join our community. Take care, be kind to yourself, and see you soon.